Alright, so last night I got real hungry and I went to the local 24-hour supermarket to get some food at late night. And I was wandering through the aisles and I saw that they had some things on sale. So I bought some things. Now I can look at them when they're in my fridge. The light's out right now, so I don't know, this is a little dark edition right there. Hey, cat. Alright, so, this is old. This is that butter I got before. It's not new. Ranch, it's probably expired. All the same salad dressing. This is still old. This is from the last one. Cocktail. This juice is so old. I think this is new, but I didn't buy that, so that's old to me. Almond milk. I don't know. Here's like an old lemon. Here's old butter. Sauerkraut. This is like a bottle of old wine. This is all old. You can see. And then limp celery. I don't know, like dark cans with stuff in the back. That's all old. I can't even look at that. It's bad. Here's the butter. Sriracha. I don't know. Milk. And this is old. But this is what I bought last night. This is what I'm excited about. It's all of these cans of NOS energy drink. I'm never gonna sleep again. I think I'm gonna go back and buy more later. I'm doing real bad stuff with my life. Let's finish this one, then we'll drink another one. Okay? I'll see you guys later.